Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna check a Nintendo Switch which is came in with a charging issue. Once we checked the USB-C port, the reason was quite obvious. Basically it's destroyed. So first we're gonna replace the charging port. Let's get to it. Alright, finally the main board is out and we can take a look on the charging port. Yes, it is destroyed. Let's replace it. So it was a simple job. No, it isn't. The Nintendo Switch started charging, but with only 70-80 milliampere, which wasn't enough. We checked the main board, and around the M92T36 it was few capacitor showed shortage. So we replaced the chip. To cut it short, after we replaced the chip, the Nintendo Switch started charging properly, more than 1 ampere, and it was in perfect condition.